Lesson 9 is about Arabic for food and beverage. So welcome to our lesson, and this lesson will focus on equipping you with the necessary Arabic language skills to excel in the food and beverage aspect of the hotel industry and hospitality management in general. The key topics are 1. Arabic menu vocabulary. Here, we need to learn essential Arabic words and phrases related to food and beverages, including dishes, ingredients, and beverages. Practice reading and understanding Arabic menus. Two, taking food orders. Understand how to take food orders from Arabic-speaking guests, including asking for preferences and specifications. Master phrases like, what would you like to order? ماذا ترغب في ṭalab? Three, describing dishes and specials. Practice describing menu items and daily specials in Arabic, emphasizing flavors and ingredients. Develop the ability to make recommendations based on guest preferences. Now let's dive into the lesson proper. Introduction. Welcome to Lesson 9 of our Conversational Arabic for Hotel Management course. In this lesson, we will delve into the world of food and beverage, exploring essential Arabic phrases for effective communication in dining settings. The significance of Arabic for food and beverage. Food and beverage are integral components of the hospitality industry. Fluent communication in Arabic enhances the dining experience for guests and contributes to their overall satisfaction. This lesson will cover key phrases for menu discussions, taking orders, and addressing dietary preferences. Greeting and seating guests in Arabic. Begin with warm greetings and seating guests. For example, you could say, welcome to our restaurant. How many in your party? مرحبا في مطعمنا. كم عدد أفراد طاولتك؟ مرحبا في مطعمنا. كم عدد أفراد طاولتك؟ مرحبا في مطعمنا. كم عدد أفراد طاولتك؟ Please follow me to your table. يرجى مطابعتي إلى طاولتك. يرجى مطابعتي إلى طاولتك. يرجى مطابعتي إلى طاولتك. Menu discussions in Arabic. Explore phrases for menu discussions. Here are some of the examples. Here is the menu. Are you ready to order? إليك القائمة. هل أنتم جاهزون للطلب؟ إليك القائمة. هل أنتم جاهزون للطلب؟ إليك القائمة. هل أنتم جاهزون للطلب؟ What would you like to start with? ماذا ترغبون في البداية؟ ماذا ترغبون في البداية؟ ماذا ترغبون في البداية؟ Taking orders and dietary preferences. Learn phrases for taking orders and addressing dietary preferences. For example, I will have the grilled chicken, please. سأتناول الدجاج المشوي من فضلك. سأتناول الدجاج المشوي من فضلك. سأتناول الدجاج المشوي من فضلك. Do you have any dietary restrictions or allergies? هل لديكم أي قيود غذائية أو حساسية؟ هل لديكم أي قيود غذائية أو حساسية؟ هل لديكم أي قيود غذائية أو حساسية؟ Special requests and recommendations. Address special requests and provide recommendations. For example, can I get the salad without onions? هل يمكنني الحصول على السلطة بدون بصل؟ هل يمكنني حصول على السلطة بدون البصل؟ هل يمكنني الحصول على السلطة بدون البصل؟ I highly recommend the seafood pasta. أوصي بشدة بالمأكرونة بالأسماك. أوصي بشدة بالمأكرونة بالأسماك. أوصي بشدة بالمأكرونة بالأسماك. Asking for the bill and expressing satisfaction. Conclude the dining experience with phrases for asking for the bill and expressing satisfaction. For example, may we have the bill, please? هل يمكننا الحصول على الفاتورة؟ هل يمكننا الحصول على الفاتورة؟ هل يمكننا الحصول على الفاتورة؟ The meal was delicious. Thank you. كانت الوجبة لذيذة. شكرا. كانت الوجبة لذيذة. شكرا. كانت الوجبة لذيذة. شكرا. Vocabulary for food beverage. Key vocabulary for food and beverage. For example, appetizer, مقبلات, main course, الطبق الرئيسي, dessert, حلوى. Role-play exercise. Engage in a role-play exercise to practice food and beverage interactions in Arabic as much as possible. And also try to simulate scenarios involving greetings, menu discussions, and addressing dietary preferences. Now I will open the floor to questions and discussions, and you can use the online platform that we have. Feel free to ask anything related to today's lesson or communicating in Arabic within food and beverage contexts. In Lesson 9, we have explored crucial Arabic phrases for effective communication in food and beverage settings. Clear communication enhances the dining experience, thereby contributing to guest satisfaction. This concludes Lesson 9 about Arabic for food and beverage. In the upcoming lessons, we will continue to build your practical Arabic language skills for various aspects of the hotel industry and hospitality management in general. Next meeting, let's take some review questions on Lesson 9 about Arabic for food and beverage, inshallah, or God willing. Thank you.